Hey there, I'm Anna, the product manager for content formatting macros by Collecti, and I'm here to show you our latest release, the new cards macro. So how do you add that to your page? You type splash cards and you pick our macro. The biggest difference that you'll see is that you can now add your cards in groups instead of doing them one by one. To add a new card to the group, you only have to click on this button and that's it. You can decide the layout from 1 up to 5 columns to make it look exactly like you want it, and you will have all the functionality from the previous cards. We also made sure that they all look aligned, packed, and neat, whatever you do with them. So imagine you add a very long content to one of them. They will all grow at the same time, so they will still look cohesive and aligned. So let's say you save these into your page and they will all be added at the same time. So we hope that you really like this new functionality as much as us. Let us know what you liked. Let us know what you would like to see next, and happy formatting.